Optic 2019 Bird, break 33-20. We are full. Dice roll, we're going 9 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here, 9 here. Niners up top. Jags at the bottom. 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here, 9 here. Clarence up top. Joe Holloway at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Niners didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads, guys. Optic 2019 Bird. Good luck. A while since I've opened a box of 2019 Optic. Howdy. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Again, 2019 Optic. Good luck, good luck. And some big rookies in this class as well. Got Justin Tucker, Michael Thomas Silver, Adam Thielen, and a Juan Thornhill for the Chiefs. Now the Brownies. He's a good player. Got Matt Ryan, Julian Edelman, Alshon Jeffrey, and Irv Smith Jr. Joe Mixon, D-Hop, Todd Gurley on the orange for the Rams, and a Byron Murphy for the Cardinals. Todd Gurley, 103 out of 199. You guys take your spots in the jersey breaks. They're hitting the screen next. Josh Norman, Rashawn Gary for the Packers. Got Aqua, Dakota Allen for the Rams, and a Montez Sweat for Washington. Dakota Allen to 299. We got here. Julian Edelman, the champ is here. That's a beautiful card. Nice refractor shine to it. Nice hit for the Patriots. And Craig Nixon. That might be numbered. Not numbered. Champ is here. Julian Edelman. Jonathan Abram for the Raiders. Winston, Le'Veon, DeMarcus, Scary Terry for Washington. Going to Sean Bargerstock. There's a nice rookie. I said Sean. And take your spots in the jersey breaks, guys. Take your spots in the jersey breaks. Julian Love on the orange and a Myles Gaskin for the Dolphins. Julian Love to 199. Again, the jersey breaks only 14 a spot. I'm going to put that on the screen next. So take your spots. Take your spots. Andy Isabella on the ink to 35 for the Cardinals. Going to Craig Nixon. Andy Isabella. 20 out of 35. Brian Burns on the rookie for the Panthers. You guys take your spots on the site. Jersey breaks hitting the screen next. Tyreek Hill on the silver and Alani Johnson for Houston. Nice Tyreek for the Chiefs. Zach Allen for the Cardinals. Silver, Tyree Jackson and a Drew Sample. And take your spots on the site, guys. Jersey breaks in the Friday night special. Josh Allen for the Jags on the rookie. Nice card there. On to Joe Holloway. Got red, Odell Beckham Jr. 45 out of 99 for the Brownies and Mike Whitaker. Dexter Williams on the rook for the Packers. Aaron Rodgers and a Christian Wilkins. And take your spots on the site, guys. Take your spots. Take your spots. Ryan Finley and a Danny Dimes rookie for the Giants. There's old Danny Dimes. Got those Giants. Craig Nixon. The Danny Dimes rook. We got Aqua. Matt Ryan and Raquel Armstead. Matty Ice to 299 for the Falcons, going to Jay Park. 143 out of 299. Silver, Nicole Hardman on the silver rookie for the Chiefs. Chiefs going to Joe Holloway. Amani Hooker. 2 packs left. Good luck. Quadri Allison for the Falcons. Last pack. Good luck, good luck. We got dark blue, A.J. Brown. Beautiful color match. To 150 for the Titans in Sammy B. I sit there, Sammy. A.J. Brown to 150. And Jamel Dean. Quick recap. We got A.J. Brown to 150 color match. Beautiful card. Hardman, Matt Ryan, Danny Dimes, Odell, Isabella, Julian Love, Scary Terry, Edelman. Champ is here. Dakota Allen and Todd Gurley. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Again, take your squads on the site. Jersey break hits the screen next.